December 28th looks quiet. But history says otherwise. Here's what really happened today. December 28th, this day in history. 1065, Westminster Abbey is officially completed in London, just in time for royal coronations that still happen there today. Sortstufik Five. The world's first public movie screening happens in Paris. Yes, this day helped create Hollywood. 1945. The U.S. Congress officially recognizes the Pledge of Allegiance, strengthening post-World War II national identity. In 1968, Apollo 8 returned safely to Earth, the first human mission to orbit the moon, proving lunar landing was possible. 2014, a powerful solar storm narrowly misses Earth, reminding scientists how fragile modern technology really is. History didn't sleep on December 28. Follow for more. Today in history, every single day.